Did you know that not all bone broths are created equal? Whether you choose chicken or beef, the differences in nutrients and preparation can change the health benefits you're getting. Bone broth is one of the oldest superfoods, celebrated for its potential to improve skin, joint, and gut health. But when it comes to chicken versus beef bone broth, which one is truly better? And how can you ensure you're making or buying the best version? Stick around as we break it all down and share a recipe you can try at home. There's plenty of debate surrounding bone broth. Is it really a nutrient-packed elixir or just an overhyped health trend? And when comparing chicken and beef bone broth, it gets even more confusing. Beef is said to be packed with collagen, while chicken is often associated with gut healing benefits. On top of that, many store-bought options lack the nutrients they promise due to additives and shortcuts in production. So, how do you choose the best broth, and what should you look out for? Let's take a closer look at chicken and beef bone broth. Beef bone broth is made from larger bones like marrow bones, knuckles, and joints. Beef broth is richer in collagen and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These nutrients make it particularly beneficial for joint health, skin elasticity, and overall recovery. Beef broth also has a heartier flavor and darker color, thanks to the slow breakdown of marrow. Chicken bone broth also contains collagen, but in smaller amounts compared to beef. However, it's still highly nutritious, with benefits for joint support and gut health. Its lighter flavor and quicker cooking time make it a popular choice. Chicken broth tends to be lower in gelatin and slightly less nutrient-dense than beef broth, but it remains an excellent option for those seeking a lighter, more affordable alternative. When making or choosing a bone broth, make sure to opt for organic or pasture-raised bones to avoid harmful toxins. If possible, buy from your local farmer or farmer's market. Doing so not only ensures you're getting fresh, high-quality, and ethically sourced ingredients, but also strengthens your community's economy and promotes sustainable farming practices. Plus, you'll often have the chance to ask the farmers directly about their methods, giving you peace of mind about the quality and care put into their products. Avoid store-bought options with added sugars, artificial flavors, or preservatives. For the most nutrients, choose beef knuckles, joints, or marrow bones, or chicken feet and wings for chicken broth. The longer the cooking time, the richer the nutrient profile, 12 to 24 hours for beef and 6 to 12 hours for chicken. Studies suggest that homemade broths are far superior to most store-bought versions, as they're free of additives and retain more nutrients. If you're looking to maximize the health benefits of bone broth, making your own at home is the best way to go. To make bone broth, follow these steps. You will need 2 pounds of beef or chicken bones or a mix, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to extract nutrients, 1 onion, quartered, 2 carrots, chopped, 2 celery stalks, chopped, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, crushed. Water, enough to fully cover the bones. Optional. Fresh herbs like thyme, parsley, or bay leaves. Place the bones in a large pot or slow cooker. Add apple cider vinegar and let sit for 30 minutes to help extract minerals. Add the vegetables and enough water to cover the bones. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Simmer for 6 to 12 hours for chicken or 12 to 24 hours for beef, adding water as needed. Strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve and store in jars or freeze for later use. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days. If freezing, pour broth into ice cube trays or freezer-safe containers for long-term storage. Freeze for up to 6 months. If you're short on time, you can make bone broth in an instant pot or pressure cooker. This method drastically reduces cooking time. Beef broth can be ready in just 2 to 3 hours, and chicken broth in about 2 hours. While instant pot bone broth still provides a high-quality option packed with nutrients, it's worth noting that slow cooking yields a richer, more nutrient-dense broth. The extended cooking time allows for better extraction of collagen and minerals, making the slow-cooked version ideal if you have the time. Now that you've crafted a nourishing batch of bone broth, here are some delicious and creative ways to enjoy it. Drink it straight. Warm a cup of bone broth as a comforting and nutritious drink. Use as a soup base. Bone broth is an excellent base for soups, stews, and even ramen. In cooking grains, replace water with bone broth when cooking rice, quinoa, or couscous to add flavor and nutrients. In sauces and gravies, incorporate bone broth into sauces for an extra nutritional boost. In summary, beef bone broth is higher in collagen and minerals, making it ideal for joint health and recovery, while chicken bone broth is a lighter option that still packs great benefits. Whichever you choose, making it at home ensures you get the highest quality. Have you tried making your own broth? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos and keep your body in balance with the Balanced Body Project.